Hello, friends. How are you today? Welcome back to more crypto trading signals. So, today is the 19th of October. We got basically a very, very good day for many coins, but right now, we are seeing basically what could be a quick and short dump, maybe. At least on Solana right now, very volatile hours so far. We got this freaking candle went all the way down to from 1 and 87 almost to 1 and 83, actually a little bit below, and this is around 2% movement, so very volatile candle right now. This is on the 5 hour time frame, so it's still not over. It will finish by in a couple hours, something like that, but you can see the uptrend that we had for many coins today is kind of weakening. However, that doesn't mean it's necessarily over, because if we go to 10-hour time frame, which is the time frame where I first shared the long on my Twitter account, if you want to follow that, you need to keep an eye out on my Twitter account, because this is where I publish many other entries, many juicy signals. So it's still green, as you can see on the 10-hour, still green. So I don't know, guys. Maybe this could be kind of a false short signal, but like I told you, it's very volatile right now. And this is on Solana. Okay. Before I begin and I continue, I also have an announcement. Okay, so the signals are already working extremely well. So that's why I have decided now to open basically um, the Telegram group for anyone that's interested. Okay, it's not going to be free, obviously. But if you're interested in the signals, all you have to do is write to my email, and I'll send you the details. Okay, all of the information that you want. I'm currently covering almost 10 cryptocurrencies. The main ones being Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. Also covering AVAX. Also covering Dogecoin. Pomfon, Aster, and Apex and IOTA are also covered, but some of these coins, from what I can see, are not very popular. So maybe I will end up removing them and maybe add other coins or other modalities, other functionalities to the signals. For example, scalping signals for Solana or Ethereum. You guys know. But if you're interested in the signals, you can already write to my email and I'll send you all of the details. Okay, I have already made the decision to make go public with the signals group. Also, people have been are interested in the indicator. Okay, there could be a chance of sharing that indicator as well. So if you're interested in that, I can send you all the information that you want. Again, write to my email in the description box in every video. That's where the information, and you can contact me there. And obviously, remember that I will never contact you guys first. Okay, if you are interested in my indicators or the signals or whatever, you want to ask me any questions, always do that via email. I will never reach out to you first. I say this in order to help and avoid people falling for scams. Okay. So let's continue with this. Like I told you, Bitcoin still green on the 10-hour. Bitcoin, unlike Solana, performing much better today because Solana kind of was in red already. And look at this. The performance for Solana is not good compared to Bitcoin. And Ethereum is also very similar to Solana, but I think it's slightly better. Anyways, this could be, like I said, a false signal in the sense of the 5 hour time frame, because so far it's kind of weak. I mean, it was very volatile at first, but now it's retracing, so it's kind of hard to tell what direction is going to go. I guess we'll only know in the next couple hours, because right now it looks like it could stay in range like this. If it ends up going lower in the next coming hours, maybe, but if the signal corrects to green, then we can say this was a false and very short-lived dump, which in any case was profitable, considering the fact that the 5 hour signals were triggered right here in this candle, and to the lowest position we got nearly 2%, almost 3%. So I'll say it was profitable if you're doing that Of course, remember in the Telegram group, I'm doing 1 hour time frame. So if we switch to that 1 hour time frame, we can see that it's already kind of recovering. It's on green right now. It's fluctuating. It's very volatile right now, so it's not a solid green. But if we continue with with this direction, we can see maybe a recovery. But you can see again on the 1 hour time frame, the short signal was triggered around this candle, and this was the candle that basically ends it all around here. But the lowest position we got right there, a nice almost 3% win. So, like I told you, and you can see very profitable signals, very profitable. Let's see Ethereum, for example, on the 1 hour, still in red, but considering that it's kind of recovering, it could actually end up in green very soon. We'll have to see. Bitcoin is on green right now. Okay, so Bitcoin recovering from this correction right there on the 1 hour time frame. And I also have to tell you guys, I have been seeing and getting many comments regarding the altcoin season. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, it's green right now. So fully green. So maybe this will be a very short-lived dump. Very short-lived. If you're still in the long, like I told you in my Twitter account, you could actually stay within this long as your profits are, or rather, as long as your position is well enough in a safe zone in order to avoid losses. For example, I'll say if you're longing from 84, 83, 82, maybe you're in a very much safe zone. You can remain in the long. If you're longing in 86, 87, you could maybe consider taking profits soon. I don't know. Uh, that's just my opinion. Obviously, I'm not giving you any financial advice. But you can see the divergence right here, and you can see right there. You saw right there what happened. So the look again, it was on red, on green. So it's fluctuating right now. It's very volatile. What we're seeing right now on the daily. So maybe this will end up being a recovery. We have to see, because 7 hours green, it was red some moments ago. 8 hours green, it's only 5 hours, which is where it's red, and 4 hours also red, 3 hours also red, 2 hours also red. But like I told you, 1 hour already in green, so recovering. Very volatile hours, very crucial movements. So I guess that's all I have to say, guys. Again, I'll wait. I wanted to talk about the altcoin season, right? So the altcoin season. So many people are asking me and are wondering if the altcoin season is already over, if the cycle is over. They are seeing way too much information about other content creators telling you that it's over. Let me tell you something, guys. Bitcoin right now, it's on green. This is on the daily, so not long enough of a time frame to actually kind of predict the altcoin season. But if we go to monthly, look, it's fully in green right now. Even in the worst times of October, this is fully green. So unless I see red on the weekly, I mean on the monthly time frame with this indicator, I'll say it's nowhere near the end of the altcoin season. Whenever we see a month, a red in the red with this indicator, then maybe we can consider the end of the altcoin season. But right now in October, and I believe let alone in November, I don't see any signals for a short in the monthly time frame. Again, this is on Bitcoin. Let's try to check out Solana. So Solana, again, this is on the Bitcoin 1 month time frame. You can see even the crypto winter. Look, this is a perfect example of what I was talking. So you can see on the previous bull run, the previous cycle, 21, October and November were in green. The moment December turned red in the indicator, that was a signal that the bull run was over. And as you can see, it was very much over. All of these months, consecutive months, all in red. And this is such a massive short right there. From this candle, you can see it's the recovery, the slow grinding process of the recovery. And right now, like I told you, we are fully in green. There, I don't see any chance of being of the bull run already being over. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. Again, if you're interested in the signals, if you're interested in the indicators, contact me via email. I'll give you all of the information that you want. Take care. Have a good time. Like, share, and subscribe, follow the work, and I'll see you guys next time.